Insulation in a van is key to stay comfortable day or night. I'll show you what we did to keep the cold out and the heat in, or the other way around. Welcome to the channel, everyone. This is video 7 in a build series where we're building out a Mercedes Sprinter 170 extended camper van. We have a quick video today where we'll walk through how to insulate the walls and ceiling in your camper van. In the past, I've insulated with spray foam, which was pretty nice, but pretty permanent as well. For this van, I chose to use Insulate, which is pretty common among van builders. It was easier and quicker to install and still provides great R value. But first things first. Before the insulation goes in, we need to put sound deadening in. We use Killmat sound deadening and put it basically on all the large open panels in the van. It's not necessary to cover 100% of the surface area. As long as most of the surface area gets covered, it will do its thing. Once that's in, you can start on the Insulate. We ordered a kit with the pieces pre-cut. This was specifically for our Sprinter 170 Extended. Each piece has a specific place to go. We use 3M90 to stick it to the van panel, so you can see my wife here installing some of the insulation with a pretty sweet piece of plastic wrapped around her. You can never be too safe, and our kids as well, right? It's a family activity. The other thing to note is that in addition to covering the panels, we also put insulation in all the ribs to ensure cold or hot air can't seep in or out. We also packed it in other places as well, just to make sure that, we had as much coverage as possible. It's important to note here also we removed the cab headliner to beef up the factory sound deadening and add insulation. You can see there's a little bit of sound deadening and no insulation, so we added both. It will be better insulated and a quieter ride. And that's it. Insulation is done. You can see it here. Pretty straightforward, but very important to keep you comfortable. As always, let me know if you have questions or comments, and like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you know when new videos are released. Thanks for watching.